Hi, it's Wordy Wednesday. Today's word, festive and its variations. Festive, happy and enjoyable feelings for a festival or other special occasion. I'm in a festive mood. My living room looks very festive with its Christmas tree. Festivity, parties, meals, and other social activities to celebrate a special occasion. Come and join us for the festivities. Festival, a special day or series of events. Examples are music festival, a Hindu festival, the Cannes Film Festival. So, are you feeling festive this year, or are you having difficulty keeping up high spirits? Write to me and tell me how you're feeling. I'd love to hear from you.